In this video, I'm going to talk about the best business model that you can start in 2026 so you can quit your job. Now guys, there are so many business models online, right? You're probably seeing a lot of them. Drop shipping, affiliate marketing, TikTok, making money through YouTube content. There are so many ways to make money online. Guys, I have tried absolutely every single way to make money online. All of the business models that I mentioned, I've done every single one of them. And if you don't believe me, after watching this video, you can scroll back on my YouTube channel and look at some of my old videos, and you can see me talking about different types of business models that I basically tried myself. And this is coming from someone that's tried every business model. So I'm not someone that just tried one business model and it worked and I stuck with it. No, I tried a bunch of different business models before I came to the conclusion that the business model that I'm going to talk about today is the best business model that literally anyone can do and end up quitting their 9-to-5 job, okay? Now, the business model that I'm talking about is starting your own coaching program or starting your own info business, okay? Now, essentially what this is you selling your skills and knowledge to high ticket clients. And the reason why this business model is so effective and so amazing is because one, everyone has a skill, okay? Now, I will address the concerns because a lot of people think that they don't have skills. I will address this, okay? Two, you can start selling your program for high ticket. High ticket means anything over $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 or $5,000, okay? And the reason you could do that is all about positioning and is all about working with your clients on a one-to-one basis, okay? Thirdly, you work less hours, okay? And because you charge high ticket, not only will you make more money than your 9-to-5 job, but you'll also free up a bunch of your time, okay? And that's why this business model is so amazing. Now, let's go back onto the skill, right? Because a lot of people think that they don't have a skill. How can they package up a skill and sell it to people? X, Y, and Z. Don't worry guys, I'm gonna break it down in this video, but let's talk about firstly, when people say they don't have a skill, okay? Now, I've had this a lot happen to me on sales calls where people have said to me, I don't have a skill, what can I sell? How can I make money with this, X, Y, and Z? And I told them, look, everyone has a skill. And I'm gonna give you guys some examples. Like there's literally a woman here in Dubai, she teaches people how to knit, okay? Now we can all agree, knitting is not a high level skill. And through her knitting program, she's earning just under 20 grand a month. There's another person teaching people how to stop drinking alcohol. Now he makes just under 80 grand a month. He charges $8,000. He has about 10 clients, makes about 80K a month, okay? The knitting person charges about $1,000 a month and she has about 20 clients. So you can see how easy it is to sell your skill and make money, right? Now, you're probably asking, okay, maybe I've got a skill, but what skill can I sell? Now, just before I actually tell you how you can identify your skill, if you are looking to work with me on a one-to-one basis, where I will scale you to 10K a month using this business model, click the link in the description below, book in a call with me, and what we'll do is jump on a call and I'll see exactly how I can help you, okay? And by the way, I actually help you identify your skill in my program as well. It's actually one of the first calls where I'll basically work with you to identify skill. I have not come across a client who I've not been able to figure out a skill for. So everyone has a skill. I can find a skill from you and you probably don't even know about it. Trust me, I've had clients who came to me with one skill and left with another, right? And they ended up selling the other one and became much more profitable. Anyway, let's continue. If you are struggling with identifying a skill, what do people ask you the most, right? What is the one thing that a lot of people say that, okay, I don't know how to do this, I'm gonna ask you, right? They're gonna ask you. What is that thing? What is that skill? That's how a lot of people can find out their skill straight away, because there's always that one thing that someone will come to you over anyone else. So that's a very good way to find out what skill you have. And guys, as I said, any skill will work, okay? There's a woman teaching people how to knit. She makes just under 20 grand a month. You guys can do it as well, right? And if she can make 20 grand a month teaching knitting, guys, any skill will work. It's actually funny because I was speaking with another client actually, and I even explained to him that, believe it or not, there's someone that teaches people how to clean toilets. And he's making about 6 figures a year, which, guys, it's crazy to think that teaching people how to clean a toilet can make you 6 figures a year. Absolutely unreal. But it just shows the power of info, just shows the power of education, just shows the power of knowledge, right? It's one of the few business models that is constantly increasing. People are constantly looking for knowledge. People are constantly looking for information, right? And if you can sell your information, you can make so much money. Now, let's go into the pricing aspect, because if you charge $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 per client, by the way, you can earn some ridiculous amounts of money. Now, let's say you get 10 clients and you charge $6,000. That's 60K. A lot of you guys would have to work a whole year to even make 60K, right? And I know a lot of people aren't even making that. But imagine making 60K a month, all you need is 10 clients. And guys, to get 10 clients in a month is extremely easy, especially if you reinvest the money that you make, right? You'll just make so much more. Now, how do you actually get clients, right? Because it's well and good creating a program, it's well and good having a skill. How do you actually get clients? Guys, we're in 2025, approaching 2026. The best way to actually get clients is through YouTube, right? YouTube is the best platform to acquire clients for your business. And guys, I've been doing YouTube for just under 4 years now. YouTube is the best platform to acquire clients for your business. Instagram comes in second, and obviously you got ads and whatnot, right? But if we look at a pure organic free platform, YouTube is the best platform. In fact, YouTube actually pay you through AdSense to acquire clients for your business. So rather than you spending money, you're actually making money from YouTube, and then you're making money through your clients as well. So how do you actually do this? Well, you set up a YouTube channel, you have a landing page where you send the traffic to, you create videos solving specific problems in your niche, post these videos to YouTube, post short form content on Instagram, post some content on Twitter, create a good landing page with a good VSL, send traffic from YouTube to that VSL, and guys, you'll start printing money. Now, obviously, there is a lot more of a process to getting your first client, in terms of the deliverables, in terms of pricing, all of these kind of things, right? Taking sales calls as well. There's a lot more to it. Now, if you guys want a full in-depth help with this, right? Because guys, on the outside, it is easy when you look into it. And to be honest, it is easy. It's a very easy business model, but only when you know what you're doing, right? So if you do need any help with starting this business model, where I can scale you to 10K a month by working with me on a one-to-one basis on a 3-month program, click the link in the description below, book in a call with me, and what we'll do is jump on a call, I'll understand your situation, and I'll see exactly how I can help you. Now guys, this is the best business model that anyone can do if they want to quit their 9-to-5 job. A lot of you guys are working 40 hours a week, right? Earning maybe 2 or 3K a month. Guys, you can literally work 4 or 5 hours a month, not a week, 4 to 5 hours a month, and make 10 grand a month. Genuinely, it's as easy as that. You can work 5 hours a month and make 10K. And if you don't believe me, literally, I know a few people who are just happy with 10K a month, and they only work 4 to 5 hours a month, right? Which is crazy, because a lot of you guys are working 10 times that in a week, and you're making like 20%, right? Which is crazy. So if you're making 2 grand, 3 grand, 4 grand, working 40 hours a week, trust me, ask yourself, if you're putting in all these hours and you're making 4 grand, what about the person that's maybe 21, making 10 grand a month, working 5 hours a month? That should really put things into perspective for you, and that should really make you question things. That should really make you question what you're doing. That should make you be like, you know what, I need to learn this business model. Let me book in a call with Alim, right? Or let me learn this business model, and I'm gonna put my effort into this and make it work. Because why should you work 40 hours a week, come home with 3 grand or 4 grand, when a 21-year-old in Dubai, for example, will make 10 grand working 4 to 5 hours a month? Guys, all it is taking action, which not a lot of you people do, because you think it's not possible, you think it's all a lie. Guys, I'm telling you from experience, from doing it myself, and also networking with high-level individuals, a lot of people are making some crazy money online without putting the effort that you guys are putting in your 9-to-5 job. So again, if you do need any help starting this online business model, click the link in the description below, book in a call with me, and what we'll do is jump on a call and I'll see exactly how I can help you. Now guys, the reason I'm able to do this is because I brainwashed myself to be successful. Now, if you want to watch the video where I explain deeply on what I mean by that, click the video that you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.